Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about getting your propeller ready for shipment. So we'd like to have you subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and notify so you can stay current with our latest content. So if you've been around airplanes for a while, we've all seen the cardboard boxes that Cincinnati uses to send their propellers around the country, and they're pretty nice and they work really well. They protect the prop. But not having one of those, your alternative is to build one out of OSB or plywood, bolt the prop in there, leave it some wiggle room, pad it up really well, and get it ready to go. But in this case, what we did was we went to Home Depot, and let me tell you, you get a lot of looks carrying a propeller into Home Depot because you got to find the right size plumbing pipe to fit around the prop and let it slide and have a little bit of wiggle room inside the pipe. So that's what we did. We went and bought the green 6-inch pipe. Then we cut a bunch of wooden plugs to go in the end. We put one in on, and then we trimmed the wooden plugs to match the prop profile and sanded them so they only went onto the prop one way, marked them inside outside. On the back end, we screwed it in with wood screws into the not touching the prop, patted the prop with some styrofoam and put the ends on it and called Bob our uncle, and we were done for the day. So it's a very interesting way you can put these screws on the PVC pipe. You can lock them down. We put the rope in just to have a good handle spot. It's a good, safe, durable container for shipping your prop around. Hope you get to reuse it. We still have ours in the shop. If you need one, I'll make you a great deal on one. So we hope you found all this useful and informative on the prop. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.